Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking. KB5016691 is not installing, so how to fix this issue step by step. Firstly guys, you disable your third-party antivirus and you Windows Defender also. So when third-party antivirus is blocking the some updates, okay, and close the all protections, real times, and cloud view protection. So all protection you can disable it, and temper protections, and also your antivirus also. So that's why actually that's protection is blocking to new updates. That's why it's not installed. Okay, and you can run troubleshoot also. Go to settings, start button, click to settings, and systems, troubleshoots, okay, other troubleshoot, and Windows, sorry, not Windows update. Yes, this is actually Windows updating issues. Okay, so close program, please do invest. Okay, and I have a command to solve this problem. So firstly you click to Windows button and type cmd So guys, this command I step by step, one by one you enter, and I give you a description, so you directly copy and paste and then enter. Okay, this is on to administrator, check is not detected and close it, and click cmd. Actually right click to run as administrator, right click to run as administrator, yes, and